Do you know there is 90% increase in cognitive flexibility proven with brain rewiring techniques? This is Pratibha here, and today's topic is rewiring the brain, which is also known as neuroplasticity. It refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt its structure and function in response to experiences, learning, and environmental changes. This involves the formation of new neural connections, strengthening existing ones, and sometimes eliminating old, less efficient pathways. Example: overcoming social anxiety. Scenario: a person experiences social anxiety, feeling intense fear and discomfort in social situations. This anxiety is rooted in established neural pathways that associate social interactions with fear. Step by step example of rewiring the brain. Identifying the issue. Recognition. The person acknowledges their social anxiety and decides to work on overcoming it. Gradual exposure. Concept. Gradual exposure to social situations helps the brain form new positive associations. Action. They start by engaging in small, manageable social interactions such as brief conversations with acquaintances. Practice and repetition. Concept. Repeated exposure and practice reinforce new neural pathways. Action. The person regularly participates in social activities, gradually increasing the complexity and duration of interactions. Positive reinforcement. Concept. Positive experiences and feedback strengthen the new connections. Action. They focus on and celebrate successful interactions, receiving encouragement from friends or therapists. Cognitive restructuring. Concept. Changing thought patterns to alter the brain's response. Action. The person practices cognitive behavioral techniques to challenge and change negative thoughts about social situations. Consistency and maintenance. Concept. Long term engagement solidifies the new pathways and prunes the old ones. Action. They continue to engage in social activities, ensuring the new positive pathways become dominant. Outcome. Over time, the person's brain rewires itself, reducing the intensity of social anxiety. They begin to feel more comfortable and confident in social situations. The old neural pathways associated with fear are weakened, while the new pathways linked to positive social experiences are strengthened. This example illustrates how deliberate actions and consistent practice can lead to significant changes in the brain, demonstrating its remarkable ability to adapt and rewire itself. Let's see key concepts. And they are neuroplasticity, Hebbian learning, long term potentiation, synaptic pruning. Neuroplasticity concept. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change and adapt its structure and function in response to experiences, learning, and environmental influences. This involves creating new neural connections and modifying existing ones. Actions. Learning new skills. Engage in activities that challenge the brain, such as learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or picking up a new hobby. Mental stimulation. Participate in puzzles, reading, and problem solving exercises to stimulate brain activity. Next is Hebbian learning concept, often summarized as neurons that fire together, wire together. Hebbian learning describes how repeated and persistent stimulation of a group of neurons strengthens the connections between them. Actions. Practice and repetition. Repeatedly practice a specific skill or behavior to reinforce the neural pathways associated with it. For instance, practicing a speech multiple times can improve public speaking skills. Positive reinforcement. Use rewards and positive feedback to reinforce desirable behaviors and thoughts. Next is long term potentiation concept. LTP is the process of strengthening synapses based on recent patterns of activity, making it easier for neurons to communicate and transmit signals. Actions. Frequent engagement. Regularly engage in activities that require the use of specific neural pathways. For example, practicing math problems frequently can enhance mathematical abilities. Focused attention. Pay close attention to tasks and avoid distractions to ensure that the relevant neural pathways are being activated and strengthened. Next is synaptic pruning concept. Synaptic pruning is the brain's process of eliminating weaker or less used synaptic connections, making the more frequently used connections stronger and more efficient. Actions. Prioritize useful activities. Focus on activities that are beneficial and productive while reducing time spent on unproductive habits. For instance, practicing mindfulness instead of dwelling on negative thoughts. Consistent practice. Maintain regular practice of positive behaviors and skills, allowing the brain to prune away connections related to less used negative or unproductive activities. By understanding these concepts and implementing corresponding actions, one can effectively guide the process of rewiring the brain, leading to improved skills, behaviors, and emotional well being. For more such information, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay mindful, stay blessed. Thank you. Take care.